Okay guys, just wanted to showcase the micro NQ. Okay, so as you can see, it's up one minus 99 and plus 400 on the other one, so it's like 300. And so if you're trading a PA account, guys, trade micros. Okay, trade micros. I will not tell you to trade minis because it's ridiculous. You will lose your socks. These accounts are not designed for trading minis. Okay, minis is just for the test. Okay, just for passing the combine. Okay, so if you want to trade the minis, just the test. And for micros, you do 2 micros maximum. Okay, and you activate both strategies to trade. Okay, during the day. That's it. That's all you want to do. You go to a 5 minute, a 15 minute, a 30 minute. Okay, and just activate markers to trade just one trade per bar. Okay, and put a bigger profit. Okay, because market is extending right now a lot, so we're having a lot of signals during the day, so market is very strong these days. This week is very good, so there's no excuse, guys. The thing is, if you continue trading by hand, you're always gonna be late. Always when you click the mouse, the market is reversing, because there's many things that you don't know that the market does. Okay, so if you're losing too much, it's because you don't know some things that the market does. Okay, so if you don't know that, you're just gonna be losing and losing and losing, and you think, oh, I had a good day today, so I don't need any. You need it, guys. You need auto trading. Auto trading is the way to go. Okay, so that's all I want to tell you guys. So just wanted to show you how the indicator works. Okay, so uh, the volume profile, you can cancel it here. You don't want to see it. Okay, so you say here volume profile off and volume profile on. You want it on the left or in the right. Okay, you can put it on the left, you can put it on the right. Okay, so it comes with the footprint. Okay, so it's all that you need to know, guys. Everything else is just a full automation. You don't have to do anything. And if, like I said, if you trade PAs, go micros, guys, because that's the way to lose. You go minis because you in this market, you lose. You will lose. It's not like everything is written in stone. I'm the best guy here. No, nobody's the best guy here. Market's really tough to trade, guys. Okay, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.